Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and today we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and we're on a 2019 Harris 210 Sunliner pontoon boat. You have the JL audio system with a tilt steering wheel, plenty of seating with armrest up front, lighted cup holders, lighted seat bases. This is also the more popular single lounger. You can move this forward and aft to give you a nice sun deck. It also has the Mercury 115 Pro XS motor. If you'd like to know more information about this boat, give me a call at 850-974-6032.